You see, I am your good pen. I am big man.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very
I
good.
In pen. This is I working. This is in natural. Look.
Very good.
Yeah. This is. Hello. How are you? And welcome. Nice to meet you. Me?
Yes.
I work always. I am big man. I am. How old are you? You're too small. Me. 6,
6.
5 years. You.
Oh.
You. Yeah. I drink water.
Vodu s toga piti.
Slovenia, you hear people. Yeah, Slovenia is good. Okay? This is a good man, inshallah. Super. After working, you help you. Mama and Baba. Papa, Mama, always. Okay? Yeah, it's good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Welcome.
you. Nice to meet you.
Tea, not tea, the restaurant. Take to drink. No. It's good.
Can we go those downstairs?
Yeah.
Ja mam go tutaj nie przyjdę. I to su ti budni kanali.
Me, I sleep here, and my family to sleep here. In Chinese house, I sleep here.
What?
Yeah.
It's cold.
This is your the well. After your explication.
Yes.
Here, this is your the water. Here. Now 100 years finish water. This is Khottara. This is the Khottara.
Kota. Ja.
Khottara, Arabic Khottara. After 20 people you working from here, 20 people you working from here, 10 people from here you working the rope.
Oh.
Water you going. This is here there is rope, is white. Here there is black. Difference. 30 meters, another
30.
way. Okay, Bismillah. Okay. Look, this is his bird. You come, you drink here, you day here. It's bird. Look. You like car, you like villa, you like house good. Tuareg, you like Mustang. Okay, now you come, look from here.
Ja.
Beautiful.
Good. Attention head. Come on. Attention head. Slowly, please. Nana. Nana is good. 9. Okay?
Okay, it's okay.
No problem. Slowly. Nana. Is good 9. Nana. Come. Every day. Okay. My dear, I sleep in here. Come. Ah, no. The same as my sister. Look. This is the first time. Khottara. After first time you working, you do camel. Traditional, the camel. After you working, this is people from here. It's good, huh?
Oh,
My
very
friend,
good. Very
this
interesting.
is good. Nice meet you. Come
Yeah.
to drink tea. Now, inside my Nana, my sister and my brother and my son. You're welcome.
Thank you.